This is my continuation topic in grade 10, which is geometric sequence. I think this is part 4. Number 1, if 5, comma, x, comma, y, comma, and then 40 from a geometric sequence. The question is find the value of x and y. So I need to write the terms 5, x, y, and then 40. Since I have 4 terms, so this will be my a1, a2, a3, and then a4. So by making a ratio, r1 is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1, and then my r2 or common ratio number 2 will be a sub 3 over a sub 2, and then my r sub 3 is equal to a sub 4 over a sub 3. Now for r1, a2 is x, and then a1 is 5. By the way, all the ratios are equal to r. So this will be my r1, and then my ratio 2 is equal to a3 is y over x. Okay, our purpose in here is to solve the value of x and y. But we don't have ratio. We have two unknowns, x and y. So we'll use the general formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r raised to the power of n minus 1. So what is our a sub n? A sub n is the last term of the given, which is 40. And then our first term is 5. And then r. R is unknown, but we have terms. How many terms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be 4 and then minus 1. So 40 is equal to 5 r cubed, because 4 minus 1 is 3. And then I need to divide both sides by 5 to solve r cubed. So this will be crossed out. Then I need to put in here r cubed is equal to 8, because 40 divided by 5 is 8. Now, r cubed is equals to 8. So cube root of 8. In making a simple way, this will be r raised to the power of 3. Then think a number in here raised to the power of 3. So this will be 2 raised to the power of 3, because 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So cross out 3. So I have here r equals to 2. So my ratio is equal to 2. Okay? Since I have now my ratio, we know that r1 is equal to r2 is equal to r3 is equal to r. So I can use r1 because r1 is equal to r. So r1 is 2, right? 2 is equal to, what is my a2? a2 is x, and then a1, that is 5. Then I need to put 1 in here so that I can take this cross multiplication. So x times 1 is x. Then 2 times 5 is 10. So I have now my x is equal to 10. How about the second unknown? So I have r2 is equal to a3 over a2. So take note that r2 is equal to r. So I have r is equals to 2. So this will be 2 is equal to, what is a3? Y. Y over x. And we know that x is equal to 10. So I can have in here y over 10. And then I need to put 1 and then apply cross multiplication. y times 1 is y. Then 2 times 10 is 20. So, the values of x and y. So, the values or the value of x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20. Now, let us check if this is correct. So, I need to put the answer in here. So, 5, 10, 20, and then 40. No need to write in. So, let us check. Since we know that my r is equals to 2, so let us check. Starting from A2. A2 is equal to A1 times R. So what is my A1? 5 times 2. So this is equal to 10. So this is correct. And then A3. A3 is equal to A2 times R. So A3 is, A2 is 10 times 2. So this will be equal to 20. How about A4? A4 is A3 times 2. So what is my A3? A3 is 20 times 2. That will be equal to 40. So therefore, x is equal to 10 and x equals to 20. My answers are correct. So that's for number 1. Let's go to number 2. Number 2, the fourth term of a sequence, of a geometric sequence, is 189, and the sixth term is 1701. Now the question is find the or D8 or A8. So fourth term. So I have here 189. Then this is unknown. Then sixth term. So 4, 5 followed by 1701. And then this is unknown again. And then next is A8. So this is unknown. So how to solve this one? This will be A8. This is A4, A5, A6, A7. So I can use this one as my A1, and then this will be my next. This is unknown, and then next, which is A6. So I can use I can take ratio first. Ratio. So R4 is equal to A5, and then A4. Then R5 is equal to A6 over A5. Then I have R6 is equal to A7 over A6. And then the last, R7 is A sub 8 over A sub 7. And this will be equal to R. So in here, I have A5, A6. So I need to solve the R. I can use this one, AN is equal to A1 R n minus 1. I will still use this one for the meantime. So AN, my A1 will be 189. And then my R is unknown. I use this one first. So I have 3 terms. So 3 minus 1. This is 1,701. And then, I need to divide by 189 so that I can solve. This is 189 r squared. And then 1,701. So, I need to divide by 189 both sides. So, cross out. So, I have here r squared is equal to 1,701 divided by 189. Now, let us divide this one. 1,701 divided by 189. Okay, let us estimate. Starting from 2. 189 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18, carry 1. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 1, 17, carry 1. And then 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Okay, so my dividend is 1,701. So this is, we need 1. So let's say 3. Because 189 is multiplied by 2 is not yet the answer, which is 1,701. So let us try 189 times 3. So this is 9 times 3 is 27, carry 2. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 2, 26, carry 2. 1 times 3 is 5. So not, we're still far. So let's just estimate higher than 3. 189 times, let's say, 9. Because we know that this is 1. So 9 times 9 is 81. Carry 8. 8 times 9 is 72. Plus 8 is 80. Carry 8. 1 times 9 is 9. Plus 8, that is 17. So we come up with 17 or 1,701. So this is 9. 9. 9 times 189 is 1,701. So this will be 0. So therefore, this is r squared equals 9. And we know that r squared, this will be 3 squared. Because 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So, cross out 2. So, I have here r equals 3. So, I have now my ratio, which is r equals to 3. Okay. So, I have now my r. So, by using this one, so this is my A4, A5, A6, A7, and then this is A8 or A sub 8. So, A4 is equal to, no, sorry. That is A5, I mean. A sub 5 is equal to A4 times R. So, what is my A4? That is 189 times 3. So, what is 189 times 3? 9 times 3 is 7, carry 2. 24, 26, carry 2. 3, 576. So, this is 576. 576. Sorry. 567. 567. Now, next is A6. Let us check if this is correct. 1,701. So, this will be A5 times R. So, A5 is 567 times 3. I have to put in here so that I will not forget. This is R equals to 3. So, 567 or 567 times 3. This is 21, carry 2. 18, because 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20, carry 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 1,701. This is correct. Now, let's proceed to A7 until we reach A8. So, A7 is equal to A6 times R. So, A6 is 1,701 times R, which is 3. So, what is 1,701 multiplied by 3? So, 3 times 3 is 9. This will be 0. 21, carry 2. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So I have in here 5,109. Now let us solve the last, which is a sub 8. So a sub 8 is equal to a sub 7 times r. So a sub 7 is 5,109 times 3. So 5,109 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. Carry 2. 0 times 3 is 0. Plus 2 is 2. And then 1 times 3 is 3. And then 5 times 3 is 15. So I have here, let us check first. 5,009 times 3 is 27. Carry 2. This is 2, 3, and then 15. So I have here 15,327. So that's for number 2.